My name's Sam and I'm a swimming teacher. I teach from newborn all the way through to adult.
My name is Kaz. I have 3 children and I run my own business, which is great because it works around my kids.
My name's Maria, but everybody calls me Maz, and I'm currently working in a school as a technician.
My name's Michelle. I've got 2 children, one almost 14 and the other one is 8. One of the most frustrating ones for me is I've now got Cohen's getting much older. You know, it's got to be really cool.
Yeah.
It's got to be, you know, the name stuff. So we goes off and he's like, I need a water bottle. Just can't go along and get any old water bottle. So I get this really expensive water bottle, £22.
Oh my geez.
Goes to school on his first day, comes home and I notice the side pocket in his bag is empty. Cohen, where's your water bottle? Oh, isn't it there? He's lost it. Lost it on his first day.
My name's James and I'm 11.
My name's Neve and I'm 12. My name's Josh and I'm 9.
These are quite cool. These are for like clothing, so you don't have to iron it. It's just a sticker.
Them. What else have we got over there?
And you get what does it say? You get 36 and you can wash and tumble dry them
On it.
40 washes.
Mine?
No way.
Let me see. Over £200.
£120. 46.
Female.
This is what I'm talking about.
You wish that every child that came to cookery class had that, don't you?
Yes. Yeah.
Definitely not now.
I'm going to stick it on the actual item of clothing as well, rather than the label, so it can't be cut out.
You can put that.
I like your writing.
Dishwasher and heat.
Oh, thanks.
Nice people.
And you can freeze it as well.
Somebody's actually sat down and thought about a problem for their parents.
Yeah.
But I think it's also for the kids, because you're right, because you know, it's all well and good cutting out a label, as in a fabric label, because it's
and then I go in.
and then if you go and stick it with the one that the edges peel off.
What I find is my child comes home with Poppy's t-shirt. Can you not tell? It's 2 sizes smaller than yours. Don't you have boys?
Yes.
Yeah. So